Hi guys, so you probably know my old car. Well, I sell it. I have a lot of money. Let's go fast to the dealership and see what he says. I know him. He said, I'm not here. Choose a car from here. I want a new car, nice car. No, which one to pick? A view. One of them are nice. Should probably go this one. This one, yes. The black color or the white color. Nice. So I called the order. I paid anything. I paid everybody. See if I have. Yes, I do. Let's go. Let's go. Comment down below which one is nice. The white one or the black one? Comment down below. And hit that like button and the subscribe button. Comment down below for a good driver too. So everything's okay. I have to end it here. So guys, hit that subscribe button if you like me, and if you don't do it. And you can ignore. Bye.